Hello everyone, good morning. We were doing exercise 12.3 and question number 1 I have already explained in the earlier video. So in this video I will explain you question number 2 of exercise 12.3. So let us begin with the question number 2. Question number 2 says if p equal to minus 2 find the value of the following. Means in the previous question the value of m was given and in this question the value of p is given. This question is same as the previous one. In the place of p, we have to put the value of p, that is minus 2. So let us start the first one. First one is 4p plus 7. In the place of p, we have to put the value of p. Okay. So 4p, 4, and in the place of p, by putting the value of p, that is minus 2. ये हमने p के place में minus 2 put किया. Okay. And plus 7. What we did in the place of p, I have written minus 2 because the value of p is given minus 2. Now in between 4 and p no sign is given. In between you can see any sign here? No sign is given between 4 and p. So it will be multiply. It means multiplication. अब यहाँ पे आपको लग रहा होगा minus 2 तो लिखा है, but minus 2 is the value of the p. It is not a sign between the 4 and p. It is the value of the p, that is minus 2. But in between 4 and p, no sign is given, means multiplication. Now solve it. First of all, the multiplication is done. Means 4 2s are 8 minus 8 and plus 7. Now solve it. Plus minus minus 8 minus 7 1. And the greater number has the minus sign, so it will be minus 1. Plus minus minus 8 minus 7 will be 1, and the greater number has the minus sign, so answer will be minus 1. Got it? Now the second one, minus 3p square plus 4p plus 7. So minus 3 in the place of p square, it will be a value of p is given minus 2. So minus 2 square. Clear? In the place of p square, minus 2 square, and in between no sign is given, means multiply. Right? Plus 4, and in the place of p again minus 2, and in between again there is no sign. In between 4 and p there is no sign is given, means again multiply. Plus 7. What we did? In this line we have just put the value of the p. Now in the next line, first we will solve the square. Minus 3 into, now minus 2 square. Minus 2 square means minus 2, 2 times minus 2. 2 times minus 2, 2 2s are 4, and minus minus cancel. Minus 2 square means 2 times 2. 2 times minus 2. Minus minus will be cancelled. 2 and 2, 4. It will be 4. Now plus 4 into minus 2 plus 7. In this line what we did? Only we have solved the square. Now in the next line we will multiply. First of all we will underline the terms which have to be multiplied. Okay. Now 3 4s are 12 minus 12 plus 4 2s are 8 minus 8 and plus 7. 4 3s are 12 minus 12 plus 4 2s are 8 minus 8 and plus 7. Now we can see two signs are there, plus and minus, and whenever there are the two signs, put one sign in the bracket. Okay. Why we have did this? Because here we can see the two signs, plus and minus. Whenever there are two signs, we will put one in the bracket. Now in the next step we will open the bracket. Plus minus minus, minus 8 and plus 7. Clear? Now we will solve the two terms. First we will solve this. Now which term we have to solve? First we will do the addition according to the BODMAS rule. BODMAS. Bracket of divide, multiply, addition and subtraction. ठीक है? Bracket of divide, multiply, addition and subtraction. We have multiply, ये तो हो गया. Now addition. Addition means first we will solve this term. Minus 12. Now one sign is plus and one sign is minus. Minus 8 and plus 7. जब भी ये नंबर देखते हो इसके आगे जो साइन है उसको भी देखना है. So minus 8 and plus 7 is there. Plus minus minus. 8 minus 7 will be 1, and what will be the sign in between? which number has the greater which sign has the greater number? Greater number has the minus sign, so it will be minus 12 and minus 1. Now again we have to solve this. Two signs are given, minus and minus. We can see minus and minus, minus will be plus. So 12 plus 1 will be 13, and the greater number has the minus sign, that is 12 has the minus sign, so it will be minus 13. So minus 13 is the answer for the second one. Now moving to the third one. Minus 2p cube minus 3p square plus 4p plus 7. Again we will put the value of p, that is minus 2, which is given in the question. Minus 2 in the place of p cube, the value of p is given minus 2. So in the place of p cube, minus 2 cubed, and in between what sign will become? We will put the multiplication sign. Why? Because in between there is no sign given. No sign is given in between 2 and p, so multiply. Now this one minus 3, and again p square, in the place of p square 2 square, and in between multiply, plus 4 in the place of p minus 2, in between multiply, and plus 7. What we did? We had just put in the value of p. Now in the next step, what we have to solve? First we have to solve the square or the cube. Simply we will solve the cube and the squares. So minus 2 as it is into, now this one minus 2 cube. Minus 2 cube means minus 2 3 times. 2 square 2 times होता, minus 2 cube. 2 cube का meaning होगा minus 2 3 times. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and minus minus cancel, minus 8. Clear? So it will be minus 8. Now this one minus 3 as it is, multiply. Now we will solve this one, 2 square minus 2 square. Now minus 2 square means minus 2 2 times. Minus 2 into minus 2, minus minus cancel, and it will be 4. 3 into 4. Now 4 into minus 2 plus 7. Now in this step what we did? We have just solved the cube and the square. Now in the next step में क्या करना है? First we will solve the multiplication terms. Okay, so we will underline so that it will be easy for us to solve. We will underline the terms which have to be multiplied. जो multiply करना है, जो दिख रहा है उसको हम underline कर लेते हैं, so it will be easy for us. Now we will multiply this one. 8 2s are 16, and minus minus cancel, or minus minus plus. Clear? This one minus 4 3s are 12. Now 4 2s are 8, and one sign is plus and one sign is minus. Plus minus minus, and last one plus 7. Are you getting it? What I did? Now in the next step what we have to do, यहाँ पे बड़ा confusion होता है पहले कौन सा term solve करें. पहले हम कोई भी term solve कर सकते हैं, answer will be correct, but we will follow the BODMAS rules, means BODMAS. This is the rule. B means bracket, O means off, D means divide, M means multiply, A means addition, and S means subtraction. So after the multiplication comes addition. So we will underline the terms which has to be added. ये addition दिख रहा है, इसको हम underline कर लेते हैं. Now 16 minus 12. Now we have to solve this term, minus 8 plus 7. If we will write this in rough word, minus 8 plus 7, plus minus 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 हो जाएगा ये, and minus, it will 8 minus 7 will be 1, and the greater number has the minus sign, so it will be minus 1. Okay. Now all the terms are of subtraction. Now we have to subtract all the terms. So we will take only two terms. First we will solve the two terms. We can solve these two terms or we can solve these two terms. Any number, any terms we can solve first. So first we will solve 16 minus 12. 16 minus 12 will be 4, and the greater number has the positive sign. No sign is given, means it is a positive sign. Plus 16, ये नंबर बड़ा है, इसके आगे कोई साइन नहीं है, means it is a positive sign, मतलब plus 4, यहाँ भी कोई साइन नहीं आएगा, and minus 1 as it is. Now 4 minus 1 is, 4 minus 1 will be 3, and the greater number has a positive sign, so answer will be positive, means 3. Answer is 3. So this is the answer for the third one. So here we complete the question number 2, first, second and the third part, and I hope so that you have understood this question. And in the next video again we will meet with the new question. So till then, take care. Bye bye.